Hi guys, if you are experiencing slow performance or facing lagging issues, I'll show you the step-by-step process how to fix it. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to disable startup programs. For that, you will go to the task manager. So in the search bar, you will type task manager and you will click the task manager, and then you will go to the startup and you are going to disable all the startup applications. Okay, first you will disable this one which is causing high impact, disable it. Okay, then I will disable this one. It is also causing high impact as far as the performance is concerned. Then I will disable this, it is causing comparatively low impact. Okay, also disable this. Make sure to disable all the applications. Okay, all are disabled. This is first step. The second step is to clean temporary files. For that, go to the search bar and you will type run and you will press enter, and over here you will type prefetch. Okay, and then you will click OK. You need to delete all the files which are present in prefetch. So do Control A, press Control A and just delete all the files. Okay, just right click and delete. Okay, okay, now only one file left. Okay, just ignore this. Okay, now what you need to do next is go to the search bar again and type run again, and this time around you will delete the files from the temp folders. For that you need to type % and you need to type then temp and then % again. After that you will click OK, and you need to delete all the files which are present in the temp folder. Delete, continue, and it is deleting all the files. Okay, it has been deleted. Okay, now the next step is to go to the disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in the search bar and okay, and now you need to check all the boxes. Okay, make sure to check all the boxes. Okay, so there is downloaded program files. I'm going to ignore this. There is nothing in the downloaded folder. Okay, so now click OK, delete files. Okay, it is deleting your unnecessary files. Continue. It will take some time to complete. You just need to wait. Okay, I think it is completed. Now the next step is to go to the performance option. Okay, to adjust your best performance. So you will go in the search bar and you will type performance and you will see this option, adjust the appearance and performance of window. Okay, you will have to select this one, click, and then afterwards you will have to select adjust for best appearance. No, you will have to select adjust for best performance, and then you will click apply, and then afterwards you will click OK. Okay, after that, once this is done and dusted, you need to disable all the background apps. Okay, which is affecting your or PC. So for that you will directly go in the search bar and you will type background apps. Just type background apps and you will click this. Under system settings there is a option called background apps. So there is one thing that I can manually disable some of the applications. Also I can disable all the background applications. Okay, so I'm done. It has been turned off, so I'm going to cancel it from here. So I hope your performance will be better now. For safe side, what I need to do next is just restart my computer. So I will see you after the restart. So I have restarted my computer. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share.